Christina Lane here from dessertfor2.com. I've been scaling down recipes for almost a decade so that you and I can enjoy our favorite foods without the leftovers. Today, we're making a small batch of lemon curd in the microwave. You're gonna use this recipe on every dessert you make this spring and summer. The first thing you need is 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 egg. I'm adding 1/3 cup of sugar to a microwave-safe bowl. And then we need 1 egg. Whisk this together. This is 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Now we need to add the zest of 1 lemon. When you're zesting, you want to just get the yellow part. Don't get the white part, that can be really bitter. Just slowly work your way around the lemon. Add all of this to your mixture. This is about 1 big teaspoon of lemon zest. Whisk it in. Okay, whisk this together. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, just for flavor, just to balance out the sweet. Now it goes in the microwave for 1 minute on high. This is what it looks like after 2.5 minutes. And then I just put my wooden spoon in. And if it holds that line, then it's done. It'll thicken as it cools. So good. You guys have to make this. It makes about 1 cup of lemon curd and it keeps in the fridge covered for about a week. For the full recipe, visit dessertfor2.com.